Hello friends. So in the previous lecture, we get to know about the subfinder, that how we can find the subdomains of any target. But there are many tools. There are very well-known tools, let's say AMRs or Sublister. So I'm just going to tell you that how you can install those things, because if I will show you each and everything, that definitely this course is going to be too long. And installing those things and used to with those techniques and software, that's not a rocket science, and I hope you will be able to do those very easily. So let me start with AMAS. That is one of the best finding for the subdomains. So it was written by this person. AMAS is one of our favorite tools when it comes to subdomains discovery. It's one of the most powerful terminal-based commands there is for gathering and accumulating large amounts of subdomain data. Let me show you that how we can install and what are the commands we can follow. So first one is snap install AMAS, amas-d domain.com. You can check these things. And then amas-d adobe.com. You can find out the subdomains of multiple, you can say multiple things, multiple targets. So this is one of the benefit of AMAS. Let me show you the next one. Next one is Subbrute. Subroot is one of the fastest brute forcing subdomain discovery tools we have ever tested. And one of the coolest feature is the ability to conceal the origin of the subdomain scanning itself by using open resolvers as proxy to DNS rate limits. So so don't worry about these notes, guys. I'm going to give all these notes in the resource part, so you can download these resources, and later you can download if you want, because I do not use these. I can say these well-known softwares or tools of for finding the subdomains, but you can use them. Many of the person use these kind of things. What I used, I will show in the next lecture definitely. Subroot syntax is simple as you see below. Subroot by cloudflare.com -o is used for the output. Cloudflare.names. Knock is one of the you can say best tools for the subdomain scanner, and it works by performing a full DNS zone transfer, and if that fails, it can run a query against the virus total subdomain database. So it take out all the subdomains whatever the on the virus total is already present. So if you don't know about the virus total, let me tell you that virus total is one of the tool where we can analyze our URL, IP, even the file, that whether it's malicious or not, and that is one of the very best tool for threat intels. We have the second last DNS recon, which is one of the most well-known domain reconnaissance script. As with this, almost every other one on the list, it's written in Python. It works by checking all NS record. NS means name server records for AXFR zone transfer. So this one AXFR zone transfer, this one I will tell you in the video of I think yeah, subdomain takeover, that how you can do the subdomain takeover. uh, there I will tell you that what is NS, what is CNAME, what is AXFR, all those things I'm going to discuss there. So after downloading the DNS recon package, you will need to install a few required packages with pip. Means you need a pip, maybe it's whatever the Python you is using. So it's pip install -r requirement.txt. Then you are ready to test it. That quite very simple. These are the things which is very simple and you can easily install it. Sublister says, I think you already have heard about Sublister 3R because it's a very well-known tool and it based on Python based tool. So it's widely used by bug bounty hunters, and I also recommend these things to you guys because sometimes I use Sublister, but nowadays I don't find that much good thing, because generally I do the subdomains collection with the help of Bob Suit, so which is I'm going to show you in the next lecture. So yeah, by querying search engines such as Bing, so it takes the data from where it takes the data. It takes the data from Bing, Yahoo, Google, Baidu, and other third-party sources like you can say Netgraph, VirusTotal, Census, securitytrails.com. There are a lot of things from where Sublister take all the domains and subdomains of a particular target. Sublisted 3 are minimum require are Python 2.7.2x. So okay, so this one is very important. So whenever you are going to install Sublisted 3, make sure that guys you have the Python version. If if you have Python 3 version, then make sure that this is 3.4 point something. And if you have Python 2, then it should be 2.7 point something. So this is the minimum recommendation. You should have these things, one of the Python in that with that version. So you don't need to do anything with that. So you need to just clone this, clone from this website. You need to go there and you need to clone each and everything, whatever there is. Then pip install -r after going in the sublister. Then you can directly start using sublister 3r.py. So this is how sublister 3r works. Okay, we have alt DNS. Now, what you will do, this is one of the very important tools. Why I'm saying this? Because you find the subdomains. Okay, great. Now, how you will find the subdomains of subdomains, right? So this is very you can say useful. This is the category. You can say to finding the subdomains of subdomains. Here, the role of alt DNS come. So we can clone the project from this one as I show you, and also you can download this file from the resource which I already have given. Pip install, same thing we required here too. We just need to write this one in the terminal, pip install -r requirement.txt, and then you are good to start with the alter DNS. So these are the things guys, which is very well-known tools, and you should be, as a bug bounty hunter, I think you should use at least once. You should aware about these things, that how it is working, and uh, from where it is taking all the subdomains, that you should know about that. So that's it in this video, and we'll talk about suit or maybe open source, so from where we can find the subdomains. Till then, bye bye, take care guys. Hello friends, so we have talked about there are many tools from where we are going to find the subdomains of any target. Right, but there are some online sources from where we can also find the subdomains, and that is very easy, because if you're using tool, then definitely you will be having a wide range of subdomains. But there are some online sources. If you have some specific domain, some specific subdomain, then you are good to search on these websites. So we have a securitytrails.com, dnsdumpster, spice.com, siteanalyze.pro, www.nmapper.com, hackertarget.com. So I'm just going to give you an example. I'm just going to show you the live, that how we can do this thing. Let me end the show and open the Google. Okay. So let me firstly open the security trails, where you can very easily do these things. Great. So here we have, okay, here we have, you can see here, you can search any of the domain, IP, keyword, or host name. So let me check for the Facebook. So you can see here, with the help of Facebook, you are able to get to know that a lot of domains, right, from the Facebook, lot of subdomains from the Facebook. So once you will log in, once you will sign up for that securitytrails.com, there are a lot of things. You can see 1 2 3 4 5, which is already hidden. So they are asking for the login. So once you will log in here, you will get to know many things. And one thing is very important guys, if I tell you that whenever you are searching for the subdomains, make sure that check the status code. What is the status code, whether it's 200 or not. So once you find that the status code is 200, then only check those things, because if you are getting 403, then it doesn't matter. I already teach you about those things, that how you can, what is 200, what is 202, what is 403, what is 404, right? So these are the things you can, you should know about these. You can say HTTP status code. Okay, let me go through the another website. So this one is regarding the DNS dumpster. So here you can get to know the DNS. Let's say maybe Facebook. I'm searching for the facebook.com, and click on search, and here you will get the DNS server names, right? So these are the things you were also getting in the Maltago one, right? But here you will get the whole list, each and everything, right? So within a second. That's why online sources is also one of the important thing to find out the subdomains, which is very important because there are a lot of vulnerabilities on subdomains, and hackers attack on subdomains because on the main page of the facebook.com, definitely already thousands of hackers all are already trying to take a bounty from them, right? So it's better to try the subdomains. Definitely you will get something. So we have the third website, this one. So here is the subdomains, let's say Facebook. Okay, let me google.com, right? So here you can see there are a lot of things, and they are telling about the status code as well. So I want only 200 status code, so I just click on that 200, right? So these are the live, you can say these are the running subdomains of google.com, and you can check on these that it is and what it is related to. So let's see this. So this one is dlss something.com. You can check these things that whether there is any vulnerability or not. So you can go in the support if there is any vulnerability there or not. You can check here. Here is a parameter might be happen. You can see here, right? And you can also try the SQL Okay, so this is the beginner's course, so I'm not going for the SQL injection here, right? Great. So in this way you can do these things. Keep remember that you should have 200 status code, so that you can get to know that yeah, that website is live. So this one was the one of the main website, and let me tell you the again another one, siteanalyzer.pro. So this one is another one, and I have two more. So let me also open this, just a demo to you guys. It's a very I can say directly that it's a very patience. You need some lot of patience for finding the bug bounty. If you want to find in within a minute, within an hour, then if you find it within the hour, that's good. That's a very good thing. But I can directly say, yeah, at least you need 4 to 5 hours to find a bug. Even you will never know that you will able to find the bug in next 4 to 5 hours or not. So because many hackers, let's say there are many persons who always try to find a bug on Microsoft.com. So they keep trying on the same website, and after a month, after 6 months, they get to know, yeah, there is a bug, and they report it, and definitely Microsoft pay highly. So they pay maybe $10,000, $12,000, depends on the vulnerability or severity of that bug. Here you can see here that I was telling you the NocPy, sublister, DNS scan, right? Uh, AMAS, Nmap, DNS, brute force. So those all are the things here. You don't need to go again on the tools, run all the commands, count all the things. That's why I didn't show you that how we can install the NocPy, but I have already given you the all the resources so that you can download and install just for your information, nothing else, because I can do all those things from here. So let me okay, Microsoft, right? So now according to NocPy, whatever the NocPy is going to catch all the subdomains, it will show me here. So this is how it works. And if you want to sublister 3R, you can go for the sublister 3R. And I don't want that much. Okay, let me check for some. Uh, okay, let's say Adidas. Let's see if we are finding anything. So it will definitely, it's going to take some time, and you're not logged in. Okay, so I need to log in that. So once you will logged in, you will get to know each and everything here. So but the most important thing is that you can see here you got each and everything whatever I told you in the previous videos. And here we have one more thing. Let's say Amazon.com. Find a record. So you can find the 8 DNS host records, each and everything. So you can see here you have already found the A records, right? There are a lot of things, lot of whatever you need it, just go and just do each and everything. So the results are limited to max 2000 results, you can see here. After that you need a membership, but you don't need to do those things because you can able to find those things from here. So that's it guys, these are the some open sources from where you can find subdomains, and you can so that your chances of getting the bug in a website is higher, becomes higher. So thanks a lot for watching this, and we will meet in the next videos with another thing. Bye bye.